Yes, Vajra.
Okay, the recording is also working fine without any issues. So let's go ahead. Let's go with our meeting and let's see what we have and how we can do it. Okay, can you see the screen?
No.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Fine, fine.
great, great, good. So we'll take time. It will not be very fast. So we'll be playing actually a game. So you might have seen my previous post for to complete RE framework. We will be actually playing games. So I will tell you what are the rules and all, and you tell me how it can be useful. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going back to files, team notes. So everyone will be able to access this. So don't worry on that. Sorry, it's a framework. Okay. Pen browser. Okay. Um, how many of you know? Just raise the hand. How many of you know RE framework structure? Like what are the activities? And with the new RE framework, we have new changes. So how many of you know those changes as well? What are the new changes and all? Neha? Okay, only Neha. So this is perfect. So I can go from the beginning. Okay. So
So first is initialization stage.
first write the names of the game players. Okay. Let's go ahead and write the name of game players. Neha, Vajrang, Jagadish, Muhammad, Mahesh, Raju, Sai, Adarsh, and Neha. Neha, you are in twice. Okay. Surabhi, Zakir. Zakir, what's your full name?
Khan.
Okay, I'll keep Zakir. I think that should be fine.
Okay.
Okay. It's fine. This is very good. And there is one other thing that I would like to add about the rules. Okay. So the rules goes like this. You will have um, you will have 10 interviews or okay, I can go as easy as we go. you need to watch a ticket, watch a movie. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And for
Okay.
that, we have tickets with IDs or serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. And there are few rules. Okay. Fourth and fifth can be given only at the last. So if you see few theaters, they will occupy or they will reserve few middle tickets. Okay, so that if there is any VIP or if there is anyone uh, who needs more interaction or more respect, they will actually give these tickets at the end. So like that, this 4 and 5 tickets are. Eighth ticket is fine, but the seat is not proper. Okay, so whoever takes the second ticket, okay, will get a call during the movie and cannot watch it completely. Okay, remaining 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 can watch the movie without any issues. Okay, now let's create a theater structure as well. So here I go with take ticket or booking counter. Okay, and I will use theater. Then third one is movie hall, and the fourth one is parking exit. Let me know if you are able to uh, relate anything, or if you're not even if you are not able to relate anything, just let me know. Okay, once we complete this, then we'll get things easier and faster. Styles. Okay, so here we have a theater, and that theater let's draw. Okay, a person can go to a theater and go to a booking counter and take a ticket. Then after he or she takes a ticket, then they can go into movie hall and watch it. And finally, after watching it, he or she can exit. Okay, so this is the flow. Now I will allocate few members to theater team or theater staff. Let's can we add Neha, or I will add myself, Bajrang, as the theater staff, and booking counter will be maintained by Neha. So there will be multiple counters, right? Single counter will not be there. Neha, Jagadish will be people who will be providing the tickets. And in movie hall, we have others like Muhammad, Mahesh, Raju, Sai, Surabhi. Okay, I'll take Surabhi to parking exit. and Zakir. Okay, and Surabhi. Now, when I start this game, these are the rules. One person can take only one ticket. So if he needs more tickets, he need to go back into the line and he need to collect one more ticket. Okay. Second thing, all business rules apply. Like will get a call if he's fourth, then he can be given only at the last. Next five, if he can be given only at the last. So eighth seat is not proper. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So
So-
here
Sorry
it
for
is.
interrupting.
Yes, tell me.
So is there any way to maximize the screen so we cannot see the fonts?
Got it. Let me just try to increase the screen font. Okay, not able to do that. Let's try to open it in browser at least. Okay, now can you see?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay, simple. I'll try to make it as small as possible. I think I have these as well, right? I'll bring it to the left. Okay, so when I say start, I will initiate or I will open the theater. Okay, start theater open. Okay, so all the members who are who would like to watch the movie can go ahead and watch the movie. So first will be Muhammad because he's standing first in the line. Okay, so Muhammad, you need to go into booking counter and ask Neha or Jagdish. You can pick a name and ask Neha and Jagdish to give a ticket for you.
Bajrang.
Yes, please go ahead.
Bajrang, sorry.
You need to ask.
Bajrang, yeah. It means in in general, you're asking how will like that, or I need to design a workflow?
Nothing. Just ask them. Call
Yeah,
Neha
okay.
and ask one ticket to watch a movie.
Yeah, okay. Neha, could you please provide one ticket?
Neha and Jagdish, you need to give tickets only in the order 1, 2, 3, and all. If someone asks you a ticket, you need to give one ticket. Okay?
Okay.
Neha. Let's go with Neha. Neha.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Neha.
Yeah,
Please
Neha,
talk.
could you please
If
provide me one ticket, Neha?
yeah, if Mohammed have the money for the ticket, then I will give a ticket to Mohammed, and if he do not have the required money, then
Okay.
I will just allow him to
Don't
go out.
don't think of money. Just give him a ticket. Which ticket are you giving him?
I will give the tickets which are like available.
Every ticket is available with you, Neha. You don't know any of this context.
Okay, I don't have to keep this in mind. Okay, so I will give the first ticket.
Okay. So Mohammed gets first ticket. So Mohammed, can you watch a movie without any issues?
Uh, by only with the ticket, you are asking Vajran?
Yeah, you have already given ticket number one.
Okay.
Jagdish, it's very noisy from your end.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So Mohammed, you got one ticket already, and now you need to
Mm-hmm.
watch a movie. Okay. And
Yeah.
if there is any exception to watch a movie, just tell that, or else tell what movie completed.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
do you have any
Yeah.
exceptions for your ticket?
Regarding no, Vajran.
You don't have any issues to watch the movie, and you watch the movie. So movie completion successful. Watch successfully. Okay. So now you can. So the next person can go ahead and ask. So the next person is
Mahesh.
yes, Mahesh. Please unmute and ask one more ticket. It's your turn now.
Okay. So Surbi, can you give me one ticket?
Surabhi is in parking exit. If you are going out of the theater, then
Oh,
that's
sorry,
it.
sorry, sorry, sorry. Ah, yes. Neha, Jagdish, can you give me one ticket?
You cannot ask both. You can ask only one.
Arey. Okay, Neha, can you give me ticket?
Yes. So you just need to
Yes.
ask. No, you just need to ask. Give me one ticket, irrespective of who it is, Neha or
Yeah.
Jagdish.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, Jagdish, you can go ahead.
Uh, uh, give the money and get the ticket number 3.
No, no,
Three.
you cannot get three ticket because two is already available that you need to give.
Seat number 3. I give the seat number 3.
Why? Why? What happened with seat number two?
So already this end.
Huh?
Okay, seat number 2. I give the seat number 2.
But why did you said that seat number three?
Seat number 2.
No, no. I'm asking why did you say before earlier that it is seat number three?
So I let's not see the message. Now only I see the message. If
Okay.
the movie is watching, now cannot watching.
Okay, fine. So Mahesh, you got seat number two.
Yes.
Yes.
So I go and try to watch the movie, but
Uh-huh.
in the middle of the movie, I get a call,
Okay.
and so I had to go out,
So
and I go to parking lot.
okay. So leave out parking lot. Everyone will go to parking lot at a single shot, and parking lot, or you can say Surabhi instead of parking exit. We can say Surabhi as theater close. So no parking lot. I understand that you are literally taking parking lot as parking lot, but yes. So since Mahesh, see, Mahesh has the ticket and he have a seat and he have a movie to watch, but since he got an urgent call, he need to move out of the movie without watching it completely. So this is a business rule exception. Okay. He have everything in his hand, but due to a business reason, he was not able to continue or complete his transaction. Okay, so that is the reason he is not able to continue. And since Mahesh is not able to continue, other person can come in and ask. Okay, so next, who's the next person?
Yeah, Raju here.
Yes,
Hi,
Raju.
can you give me one ticket, please?
Okay.
Seat number 3.
Okay, Raju, you need to say booking counter gave me a ticket.
Okay. Booking counter, can you give me one ticket?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
so I
take
will
the seat.
give
Seat number 2 only, right?
seat number 3. Ticket number 3 I will give.
Okay, Raju gets ticket number 3. 2 is already given. How can you give again to other person?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so Raju, you have seat number 3. Can you
Mhm.
watch the movie successfully without any issues?
Yeah, there are no interruptions. I can watch it.
You can watch it, right?
Yes.
So, no interruptions, watch complete, watch successful. Okay.
But Vajrang, one question.
Mhm.
Like, why they are giving me 3? They can give me 5, 6 also, na? Or
Okay.
9 also. Why they are going in sequence?
Take a ticket stack. Okay, not in digital platform where you can select a ticket, but if you go to a booking counter earlier, there used to be paper tickets. If you see, if you observe.
Right.
Okay, then there you cannot select a ticket in the from the middle. There ticket who's
Yeah, I
person
will
who
go
is
by
giving
serial number.
exactly, he will give the first ticket and he will give it, right? He will just give you the first ticket. So whatever the next ticket or next item is available, that's the one that you're going to get. Nothing else.
Okay.
Okay. Sai, it's your turn.
Excuse me, booking counter. Can you give me one ticket?
Oh, he's very polite. Yes.
Seat number 4. Take the seat number 4.
Thank you.
See,
Seat
Hello,
number
ticket.
4 or seat number 6? Because 4 and 5 can be given only at last.
So these two are having low priorities. I have already mentioned, right? So this is for booking counter.
Yes.
Low priority and it can be given only at the last. Okay. Which ticket are you giving now to Sai?
6.
6. Okay. Sai, you're getting 6. Can you watch it properly? Can you watch the
Yeah,
movie?
no. Yeah, no exceptions.
No exceptions? Watch
Yes.
successful. Okay. Zakir, please.
Yeah. Hi Neha or Jatish, can you please give me a ticket?
Ticket number seat number 7.
Okay. So,
Okay, thank you.
Zakir, can you watch the movie successfully without issues?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next. Since we are out of the members, let's repeat it. Okay. Now, Mohammed, can we repeat with you? We can start with you again. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Sure.
let's go ahead.
Booking counter, please provide one more ticket.
So I will allot seat number 8.
Exactly. Okay. So just remember that Mohammed already watched a movie and he completed it, and he is again going to get one more ticket to watch a next movie or the same movie. It doesn't matter, but he is again going and getting a ticket. He cannot watch two movies at a time. He cannot get two items or two tickets at a time. Okay, he can get only one ticket. Okay. Now let's go with 8. So Mohammed, can you watch the movie properly or not?
No, as my seat is not proper.
System exception here.
System exception.
Okay. Okay. Now, when there is system exception, can you watch the movie?
No.
No. So you will go back to me and you will ask me, or since I am the theater owner, you will come back to me and say that, okay, boss, what is this? I have taken ticket from you, but you are not keeping theaters proper. There is seat issue. Okay. So then, so this is having system exception, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now the retry is not available, or I cannot give this seat to anyone else. So I'm just reinitializing the complete scenario. Okay. But what happened was, since the seats are already taken, we cannot give these seats to anyone else. So this
Correct.
theater has a concept called there is only one seat in a theater and only one person can watch in the theater.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Now, since you cannot watch the movie, this will be your transaction will be system exception.
Okay.
Okay. And you go back and say that, okay, I cannot complete your watching movie and I'm leaving. Okay. So the next person can go ahead and ask for the next item. Mahesh, it's your turn.
Yes. So booking counter. Can you give me
S-
one more ticket?
Seat number 9.
Okay, Mahesh, it's not one more ticket, it's only one ticket.
Yeah, sorry. One ticket. Booking counter. I need one ticket. Sorry.
Yes.
Seat number 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you
I
watch
don't
it
have any.
properly? Watch properly.
Yes.
Was successful.
Mhm.
Okay, Raju.
Yeah, booking counter, can you give me one ticket?
Yeah, so I'll give ticket number 10.
Okay, Raju, can you watch it successfully?
Yeah, I can watch it successfully.
Okay, next Sai.
Hello, booking counter. Can you give me one ticket?
Sorry.
I will
Tickets are
give
closed.
but
Right?
the 4 and 5 are still left.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Neha, you nailed it. Come on. Good. Come on.
Super.
Yes, go.
So I will give ticket number 4
Excellent. Okay.
to Sai.
Okay, thank you.
So, Sai, can you watch it properly? Can you watch the
Yeah,
movie?
successfully. Yes.
Okay. Okay, now ticket number. Okay, next one. Zakir, it's your turn now.
Yeah. Hi, booking counter. Can you please give me a ticket?
Seat number 5.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll give ticket number 5 to Zakir.
Okay. Is it successful? Zakir?
Yes.
Okay. Since everything is completed, let's close the theater.
I have a question, like what about like Mohammed have the issue with the seat, so he went again
No,
to
he
the
cannot.
theater and say that
We didn't enable, or I didn't enable retry for him, right? So if there is
okay,
system
okay,
exception, he's gone out of the loop.
okay.
End state. Okay.
So can't he watch the movie? Mohammed,
Oh.
you mean Mohammed can't watch the movie for the next time?
Okay. Here Sarita is being a hidden transaction somewhere without name. Okay, let's go with Sarita. Okay. Now, Sarita, who else are we missing other than Sarita? Vishnu?
Yeah, Vajay.
Okay, Vishnu. Okay. Right. So, yes, Sarita and Vishnu, you two ask for tickets.
Hello, can I get one ticket, please?
No tickets are available now.
No tickets. Super.
Booking closed.
Okay. And Vishnu can go ahead and ask.
Yeah, booking counter, can you provide me a ticket?
So already allocated all the tickets. There is no tickets,
Irrespective of what it is, you just need to say ticket yes or no. That's it.
No tickets.
No tickets. Okay. Now just have a clear understanding of this in a more pictorial way. Now everyone can watch the movie only if I open the theater. Is it correct?
Yes.
If I don't open a theater, will the booking counter open?
No.
Can anyone watch the movie?
No.
Can the
No.
theater be closed?
If it is
Yes.
not open, then how it goes?
Exactly. Okay. So just think one more thing. If there is a situation that I open the theater, but somehow there is an issue, so can I go to booking counter? Can I open a booking counter? Even when the theater itself opening itself is having issues, can I go to booking counter?
No.
So can I directly close the theater?
Yes.
So Surabhi, can you please close the theater?
Yeah. Yes, Vajra.
Can you please say theater closed?
Yes.
Tell theater
Okay.
closed.
Say it, Surabhi. Say it.
It was closed. Yeah.
Theater closed. Okay. So now since the theater is closed, none of these transactions happen. Now let's think again. This booking counter and all will still be there. So one person taking at a time or one, so I can show you in multiple ways, but take this theater as a place or your orchestrator. Okay, now I'm changing some words. Just have a quick understanding. Theater is our orchestrator. Okay, so an orchestrator should contain all the list of tickets. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
If there is no tickets to be given, or there are no tickets, or I just created, I just built a building, but I don't have any seats to be given to anyone else. So will that work? There is just a hall. There should be seats, right, to someone to sit and watch.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So in the same way, an orchestrator should have transactions. So all the tickets are transactions. So these transactions have their own priorities. Like, okay, all these tickets are with normal priority and these two are having low priorities. So who is creating these low priorities? Either someone who is giving the tickets or who is setting the transactions can set, okay, these are the low priority tickets that should be given at the end.
Yes.
Okay.
Booking counter.
Booking counter will only give the tickets. They are not concerned about which priority and all. Only while giving the ticket, they will check whether it is a priority ticket or not, or if it can be given or not.
Manager
That
like
are-
that.
that are-
Like,
Yes, manager or someone who is creating the transactions.
yeah.
Okay. Now, here booking counter will work continuously to give tickets whoever asks them. They will not say no to anyone. Okay. Now, can we take booking counter as we need to take, or we need to consider booking counter. So here I can take theater as initialization as well. Okay, initialization, and booking counter as get transaction item. Okay, and movie hall as see, I can represent it in multiple ways to make you understand. So movie hall as process. Okay, and theater close as end process. Now just let's go with UiPath and open RE framework as well and see how this is available. But Mohammed, Mahesh, Raju all are bots. Bot. So what a bot does?
Bot will execute the workflow.
Okay.
Process the task.
Okay. So here we can say that this is a bot, or we can consider that this is this has a bigger picture. That the complete scenario is a bot, or this complete scenario is a process. Okay, let's take this as a process. Now, if someone want to complete a work, or if someone want to complete a task, they need to know what task they need to complete. Is it right or not?
Yes.
And
Yes.
they also need to know how the task to be completed. Without having proper rules and without proper having rules and activities, can a robot work on its own?
No.
No.
Mm,
Yes, but a robot is also influenced by external factors like business rule exceptions and system exceptions and all. Now, what is the difference between business rule exception and system exception? Can someone tell if you know? Surabhi, can you tell?
Yes, Vajra. The requirement which is failed during the business, then it will be a business rule exception.
I need to have a clear answer. That's not a correct answer.
Yeah, Vajrang.
Yes.
Business rule exception in the sense
Mm.
while opening a account, the person should be have at least 18 years of age. So that
Okay.
is the criteria. So
Yes.
that would be the business rule exception. Okay.
Super. Okay.
In order to work with applications or in order to read Excel file,
Mhm.
while executing the process, if that particular file is not available or it's not open while executing, that would be the system exception.
Excellent. So to make it more clear, if you are writing some exception stating that this process or this particular item should not continue after this step, then that's a business rule exception. But there are no business rule exceptions, and we are not able to continue that process because of some external factor, either the theater is blasted on bombs, or the theater is closed for renovation. So all these things will comes under system exception because you cannot proceed further. There is no other transaction that can be taken in it. Okay, so those are system exceptions. Okay. Now, as I have said, we will go with the RE framework. So RE framework, which is this. Okay, I hope you are good with at least selecting a project. I hope I don't, I need not explain how to select a RE framework. Is it correct or not? Should I explain?
Yeah, correct, Vajra. Okay.
No need. Great. So again, I'm going back to my RPA days in 30 days. Okay. So there are a few screenshots that are taken. Okay, let's go to changes. Where is this? Repository show in Explorer. Okay, I'm mapping it in the directly in the repository so that you can go ahead and watch later. So it's Vajrang. New folder, team 5. Select a folder, RE framework, day 1, create.
Bajrang, one question. Like now we are creating this RE framework in the repository. And in the real time also we have to take it to the GitHub location, or we can develop in our local machine.
So whatever it is, if you want to share it to someone, you need to have a place to share it, right? It can be GitHub, or it can be a Microsoft VSTS, or it can be GitLabs. It can be anything. Okay. So why are we using GitHub? Why am I using GitHub? If I directly add it in my local, if I need to share it with you, I still need to copy the files into GitHub, right? To share it with you.
Yes.
So instead of that, I just created in the GitHub directly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Bajrang.
Yes. So let's go with this particular activity. And do you know that we can take a picture of this image, copy as image, and then I can paste it directly? Do you know that? I hope you do.
Yes.
You can directly take a copy of the picture and you can take it. Okay, picture. Okay, I'll try to paste it here. Hope this works. Let's wait. Okay. Now, just to have a clear understanding in bots, or this can be as transactions as well, this process as well. See, multiple bots. I'm telling that this is a linear process, but let's assume that this process is executing in 10 different machines or 5 different machines. Okay, so all the 5 machines can ask orchestrator for transactions. Let me explain you again. There is a movie released in 10 theaters. So can you go to any theater to ask for a ticket?
Yes.
Right, but your goal is to watch a movie irrespective of which theater it is. I think you will go to the nearest theater. Correct. Okay, inserting image. Got it. So the image is inserted. So let's clearly observe what this image is and how this image will work, so that we'll take it forward. I hope this gets updated soon. Okay, so let's take this complete process as movie watching process. The ideal goal is to watch a movie. Other than that, nothing. Further, let's there are some rules and regulations, and we need to follow some rules and regulations. That's it. So what is the goal of this particular task? Watch movie, right?
Watch movie, correct.
Okay, so to make it versatile, let's go ahead and change it to get a bank account. Since someone have taken this idea, let's also implement this in this particular scenario so that we'll have greater understanding. Get a bank account. Okay, now to get a bank account, what are the minimum requirements that we have?
Aadhaar card.
You should have a PAN card.
We should have a PAN card.
So all that comes under process. Okay.
First of all, we need to go to bank.
Age criteria.
Okay, so for to have a bank account, first thing is you need to have a bank. Which can provide you the service. Is it correct or not?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say that this is bank, and these banks give you account number 1, account number 2, account number 3. Okay, so your task or the bank task is to So this complete process is opening a bank account. Okay, so initialization, it will just have all the
Form
records
filling.
open. No, don't take it as form filling. Everything comes under process only. Whatever you want to do, that comes under form filling only. Okay, so in the initialization, they will turn on their machines, open application, open bank application, because they need to see the bank details, right? And log in. So what are they doing? Turn on a machine, opening bank application, and logging in.
Yes.
So as a bank employee, I need to do this. Okay, so once I have every initialization completed, now can I start the process?
No, no.
Why is it so?
need
They
to
have
check.
to
I'm
the
sorry.
PAN card, Aadhaar card. We need to submit.
Let's
Okay,
assume
sir.
that you have everything. Why are you worried about PAN card and Aadhaar card?
They have to enter the details now.
Okay, so they have to enter the details, and though entering the details, so bank have the transaction, so you can take that this is one application.
Okay.
There should be some orchestrator. So there I can create one more sorry for my bad drawing, orchestrator. So this is a bank queue.
Okay.
There are people who are waiting in this queue. This person number 1, P1, P2, P3. Okay, so can one person ask, or can one person take multiple accounts?
No.
He can take accounts, but the only thing is he cannot take multiple accounts at a single shot. Like he cannot take account 1, account 2, account 3. He need to go and fill the details and get account 1. Again, he can go back and fill the details and get account 2. And again, he can go back and fill the details and account 3.
Yes, at a time it's not possible. As you said.
Yes. So in the orchestrator, we have all the bank accounts, or you can say all the members. But here, person 1 is like a bot who need to get his process done.
Okay.
Okay. Now he will, does he have any activity in logging in and all? That's already done by the initialization, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now the bank employee waits and sees if there is any person who is, or you can say that the bot actually asks orchestrator if there is any person who is waiting for the ticket, right? So the person can go. So this get transaction data or this get transaction data can be a person, or can be a person, or can be account details. One person with all his account details can be a transaction.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for him to complete a transaction, now he should come into the loop, right? He comes into the loop, and bank person sends him to the respective counter. Okay, you go to counter number 1 and you can get the bank process or bank account opened. Now in this process, he can get all these transactions completed, irrespective of what is the steps and how he need to fill the form or not. If he goes into process transaction, he will get a bank account.
Okay.
Now when he gets a bank account, so he is allocated with a bank account, this process transaction is completed.
Yes.
Now, if he want, he can go and get one more account. Now he can wait in the queue, and bank sends him to next counter or the same counter, and he can get same and the ticket account too. And can he get account 3 as well? At a time he can get
It's not.
only one account. At a time he can get only one, And he already got
Okay.
account 2, so he can always get account 3 as well. He can ask for account 3 as well.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this will take time, and I know that. So tomorrow also we'll work on this. Tomorrow we'll work directly on the code. Now, meanwhile, while person 1 is getting account 1, if person 2 or bot 2 comes in and asks for next transaction, and if he gets a transaction, can he get account 2 instead of bot 1 getting account 2? He can get account 2, right?
No, only person can get one account.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
One person
First,
can get
he has to get a first account, right? Means
No,
every-
no. First account is already taken by person 1. This account,
Okay.
okay. The second account is only can be given to bot 2.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now I will stop here and I will ask you to watch back. Just understand one thing. So I would like Raju, others please keep yourself in mute.
Yeah, Bajrang.
Okay. Now explain me what we have done and what are the basic things that we need to have. I'll give you 2 minutes.
You want me to explain this, what we have done so far?
Yes.
Actually, we are trying to open a bank account for our
Okay.
customers.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, like in the first initialization statement, we are opening all the applications
Mm-hmm.
to open the account.
Okay.
And so once all checks are done, we are taking the transactions
Mm-hmm.
of each person, and we are checking.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you tell me what how many items can get transaction data give? Is it 10, 20?
sorry, come again. How
This
many?
this get transaction data, how many can it give at a time?
At a time, it will pass one only.
Only one. So just
One
remember that
transaction at a time.
get transaction data will give only one item at a single shot. Yes,
At
please
a
go.
single shot, yes.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Then after that, it will process the transaction. It will
So
go to the.
so whatever transaction it picked, it will process it. It will not process any other transaction.
No, it will not process. Other transaction will depend upon the process transaction status.
Exactly. Okay.
So once that once the transaction gets into the process transaction, it will check whether it is successful or failed.
Okay, you're going into technical details where people will not understand that at this point of time. Okay. Well, how many of you are confused? Please raise the hand. I love this question actually. After every Jagdish, Ravi.
Yeah, I think Vishnu this side. I think I've not worked much in RE framework, but I know there are 4 stages and 7 transactions and all.
Yeah.
Up to this, I can get the point what steps are going on. I think for me it is okay.
Vishnu, fine. Okay.
So one thing is, I hope we will cover this banking application as well as the ticket booking application as well as.
The banking application is just like any calculator application. The holistic picture is what you need to understand.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Please.
Yeah.
Okay. Switch account. Okay. So I'll give you 2 videos that you can watch. Okay. And you can come back to me with the questions. But I need all the questions to be taken up in the chat section of this meeting. So if you write any question outside this, it will not be available. So what you can do is go to my LinkedIn. Okay. So I will ask, or I will keep this post. Okay. So get me all the questions that you can have in this post. Can you do that? You have complete day and I will answer to each and every question over the day. Again, tomorrow we'll again get these things discussed, but I want you to write all your questions for there.
In LinkedIn, in comment section.
Yes. Okay. Stay active on LinkedIn. Don't worry or think that someone will watch you. No one will watch you until you yourself tag them or comment on them.
Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay, Vajra. Vajra, 2 video links. Can you send
What
me?
exactly do you know about project on the left side, main workflow?
Okay, I'm sharing you the link. Okay. And I'm again sharing that in my LinkedIn. Okay. Can you watch this? So this will directly take you to the video.
What exactly?
And I will post one more simple video. Let me stop the